Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll explain the difference between Claude AI's memory and chat search features so you can use them effectively. First, the memory feature allows Claude to remember important information across conversations. This includes details like your name, project preferences, or recurring instructions. Once enabled, Claude can record this information and automatically use them in future chats. On the other hand, chat search feature focuses on finding information within your current conversation or external sources. It helps you quickly locate answers, highlight key points, or reference documents without relying on long-term memory. In practice, use memory for continuity across sessions like ongoing projects or personal preferences, and chat search for immediate information retrieval, research, or fact-checking during a single chat. Finally, you can combine both features for maximum efficiency. Store recurring information in memory, then use chat search to dig deeper or cross-reference details whenever needed. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.